Hey guys, Chris here with Crypto B Vision, bringing you another wicked video from the road to success. Today we're going to talk a little about buying the breakout, retest, and the 1 hour candle close after a breakout occurs. Before we get started though, I'm going to ask you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment on what you're trading, what you're bullish on, and whether you buy breakouts or you wait for retest. Join the Telegram group as well, and don't forget about that 1 Ethereum a month giveaway until the end of 2020. It's really exciting. We're getting new members every day, and we're getting a lot of pre-sales, call-outs, charts posted, and great discussion. Another big thing we focus on there is avoiding scams, and working together with a group of 60, 70 people has really shown to be beneficial in helping everybody play safe. So without further ado, we'll hop out of the car and exit the road, and we'll jump right into the charts. Hey guys, we're currently looking at LRC here on the 1 hour on the Coinage Binance USD pair. So this is what I'm talking about when I'm talking about the minimum 1 hour candle close on a breakout. So if we do this, let's get that over a little bit. Get all that out of there. So right here, this looks like, well, you know, it's still below or might not look that good to you. But once you start drawing your trend lines, and if you start down here, so this is what it was before it broke out. I had this up yesterday. I posted it in the Telegram group. And I don't know if any of them entered the trade, but what you do is you get these, you want to get your lower trend line all set up. There we go, as close as you can, right? It doesn't have to be perfect. So this was the upper trend line, and my line was right here. This is where I had my breakout line, and I put buy the breakout above this trend line with a minimum 1 hour candle close. So every one of these candles is 1 hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? When you're on the hourly chart, every candle is 1 hour. On the 4 hour chart, every candle is, you guessed it, 4 hours. But as you can see here, it came up here, it bounced off that line, and if you just hover your mouse over here and you look up at the top, up here, these 4 numbers here, hold it here, it opened at 0.19527, so 19.5 cents. The high was 19.8 cents. And the low was 19.21, and so it's open, high, low, close is what it stands for. So as you can see, this candle closed at 19.49, which is actually below. This is this white block here. This is our buy the breakout. Okay, this is a buy the breakout here on the right hand side. So your close is actually below that. So when this one opened, it actually opened at 19527, which is still below. And then it's low, so it went down. So it started out as a red candle. So that's where you would think, oh, rejection, we're going to buy at the bottom of the trend line. But then it bumped back up and it turned into a green candle because it closed at 1975, which is well above our buy the breakout clothesline. So when that candle closes above here, now it's on your radar. Now you're looking. So I always wait for the 1 hour to candle close afterwards. So we are 3 minutes away from the next 1 hour candle closing. And this opened at 1989, which is well above our 1954 there on the right hand side. Now with that, you can see that it opened well above that. So if that candle closes above that, now we're looking at a confirmed breakout. And following that, it may come down and retest the upper trend line. So an entry price may be right back down at that 1954, or it may be heading up for some profit. I mean, even if it matches this here, guys, let's take a look here. Say, you know, you said, you know what, I like it, I'm getting in right here. So that right there, even if it reaches this first peak, you're looking at 6.2%. Now that's nothing to sneeze about, not in a day's work. Depends how much you're putting on the line. But where I see it going, considering, because this is how I measure personally. Look at that. That's beautiful. You see how nice that looks? You get your falling wedge, and then you got breakout, and we're gonna come back down, retest. Hopefully, I'm gonna put a buy order in at 1955. If it doesn't hit that, I'm gonna probably just watch this trade. You don't have to be in every trade. Even if you chart it, it looks good. You don't have to be in the trade. It's nice to watch it for confirmation and for future. Every time you're watching your trades, you're learning something. So actually, my measured move for this would be, I guess we could call that the neckline. So we'll go neckline to bottom, pull it up from breakout, and ish, right? You're ish. So if you're top, this could be a mid-term hold. This could be, 2-3 days a week. We don't know, but you're looking at, 4. So you're 20. Well, let's check it out. Let's get this going here. So if you bought now and it did hit our target, that's 20.5%. And that is, well, I mean, that's amazing. You won't see that anywhere. But what I like to do is, if that is my measured move, I take 75% of that. So I would actually go, if I bought here and my measured move was say 20.81%, I drop that down and I take probably 15.5%. 75% of what the target is, I would usually take. So now with this candle just closed, guys, okay, we're going to have a quick look and see what it's doing. And you may see a big wick up. You may see a red candle coming down. When the candle closes, you're going to see this little timer over by this green slot start up again. And it takes about 15 to 30 seconds to get a new timer going. So what we're looking at here, if this pops back down to here, I'll enter it. But as for now, I'm going to put this just on my watch list. You have 3 large green candles. It's not saying it can't go way higher. But I was sleeping. It is, I think, 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning. So 8, 7, 6. Yeah, I was sleeping. I slept in a little bit today. So, but yeah, see, here we go, a little bit of red. But yeah, that's kind of the basis of it. You want to wait for this is your breakout candle. And this is your 1 hour candle close after a breakout. And after that, you can assume to yourself that you had a confirmed breakout. Following the breakout, you want to look for a retest on the upper trend line or breakout point. And if it retests down here and you get a bounce, you are bullish. But it could pop down and pop right back into this. So you got to watch where your stops are. So personally, if I was to enter it, say right now, I would lace my stop. You can see this little bit of support on the top of these candles here. I would probably put my support at about 1.9. If it depends how risky you're feeling. Right below this wick, probably 1.917. And you take a little bit of a loss there. It's not impaired, maybe a 4%, 3% loss, which is substantial if you're using a lot of money. But for learning purposes, I would not enter up here at the moment. You can see it's going red already. I would look for an entry here, but I would always wait for a bounce. So when this candle wicks down, if you have a buy set here, then you want to get your stop in right away. Or another thing you can do is set alerts. So Binance app and CoinEnergy TradingView, they all have alerts you can set. So you can actually set an alert for here, and then when you get your alert, you go to the chart and you watch it for, however long you want to watch it, and then you get a bounce. And if you get that bounce, and even if you enter around here, then you're looking at some substantial upside. So I hope that helped you with breakouts, retests, and explaining the 1 hour candle close after a breakout. That's the most important thing. Lots of the times, you have it like, look at this. If the candle wicked up, oh, it broke out, but then it wicks back down. You can see you want to have this right here. You need to have this 1 hour candle close above the breakout point. Okay, guys, well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Throw a comment down. What did you think of the video? Are you buying breakouts? Are you buying before the breakout? How are you trading? Also, don't forget about that 1 Ethereum giveaway for the remainder of 2020. Join the Telegram group, and thanks for watching.